Are you hungry?
Give me something good.
Hi, and welcome to another episode of Görgött. Today we're cooking langoustines on a bed of Asian-inspired salad. Simple enough, right? But before we have a look at the ingredients, as always, if you haven't done so yet, do me the favor. Click the subscribe button and check the bell icon so that you get notifications when new episodes come online. But now let's have a look at the board. We have our langoustines. I fried them really fast in a really hot pan. I'll show you how I did that. I don't know if you can see it, but our pan is smoking. You see I put a steel rod through them just in case. Put them both on and press down gently and count to 25. Turn them, and I don't really have to press anymore. You can press a little bit. And again, count to 15. And they're done. And we're gonna paint them with a bit of yuzu butter that I have here. I'll show you how I did that. For the yuzu butter, we put a good 2 tablespoons and a little bit of yuzu zest. And we'll let that melt. And once it's melted, you don't have to do anything else. And we also have for the salad a coriander vinaigrette. And I'll show you how I did the coriander oil and the vinaigrette here. We have quite a bit of coriander. We just chop it up roughly because we're going to mix it anyways. We have the pot there with the oil. We're heating it up to about 60 degrees. And once the oil is at that point, we'll put the coriander in, leave it for 1-2 minutes at 60 degrees, and then we'll mix it. I'll show you once the oil is warm. I put the coriander in. Our oil is at about 60 degrees. And now we mix this. So that should do it. You mix it basically until you don't hear any resistance anymore. And we use the neutral oil, grape seed oil, like I normally use. And now we just pass it. This is not extremely fine, but it's fine enough. We're just going to use it for a coriander vinaigrette anyways, so it doesn't need to be super fine. And there we have our coriander oil. So to make a coriander vinaigrette, we need vinegar, the coriander oil we just did, some salt, and some yuzu juice. The classical kind of ratio is 3 oil to 1 vinegar, but I'm going to do 2 oil to 1 vinegar. Pinch of salt and a squeeze, not too much, of yuzu. And now all we need to do is whisk it up. And give it a taste. You can taste the coriander. Has a nice hint of yuzu. Maybe a pinch more of salt and a little bit more of the oil. And the last try. Perfect. Our vinaigrette is ready. So now you've seen how we did all the ingredients. What I haven't told you yet is the salad component. It's coriander and some frisée or curly endive salad, I think it's also called in English. As both has been washed and we're basically ready to put it all together. But before we put it all together, you probably enjoyed the episode so far if you stuck around until now. So do me the favor, click the thumbs up button below. That really helps the YouTube algorithm to find my episodes. Now let's put it together. Let's start with the salad. We got a bit of a bigger bowl. We put our frisée and our coriander. mix up our vinaigrette again. Put a little bit on top like that. And now you want to get in there with your hands and make sure that the vinaigrette goes everywhere. And that you also kind of mix up a bit of the coriander with the endive salad. We're done. I need to clean my hands and then we can pretty much plate it up. The first thing we need to do is to actually paint these with our yuzu butter. And to plate, we just take a little bit of salad. You don't want too much, it's just an easy starter. And then our langoustines go over like that. Quite a pretty plate, and it's going to taste amazing. Let's dig in. As you can see, I replated it a bit, spread the salad out. I think it looks a bit nicer. I hope you do too. Let me know in the comments if you preferred the original plating or this. That's really nice. Sweetness of the langoustine, the sourness of the yuzu, the quite fragrant taste of the coriander with the slight bitterness of the, what do they call this, Frisée? Some kind of endive salad. I think it's a great combination. I didn't show you, but a little bit of fleur de sel on top also kind of does the dish. But that's it for this time. Very few ingredients, quite a simple dish, but it looks beautiful, at least I think so, and it tastes great. I hope you enjoyed it. That's it. If you haven't done so yet, as always, please click the subscribe button, check the bell icon so that you get notifications when new episodes come online. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye-bye.